All right, welcome to another video. I am Gastin Mapala, right here at Maths with Gastin, where we make things happen. Today, let's have a look at SINE rule grade 11 example. We have a question there that is saying, found the magnitude of Q. Okay, so let's analyze this question. Magnitude of Q. You've got Q there, the magnitude of theta, which is angle. This one is also just referring to, which is equals to angle A. Okay, not Q rather, but theta. Okay, yeah, I've been doing a lot of mathematics, so even some of the variables, they do look like each other. Okay, right, great stuff. So we're looking at the magnitude of theta, which is the angle of A. So in this case now, let's have a look at this example. So what can we use here? What can we use? Okay, we can see that the sine rule says that A is should be over sine A, it's equals to B all over sine angle B. It should be equals to C all over sine angle C. Okay, so let's see what are we given here. We're given side B, which is this one here. We're given side B. We are given angle B, which is this one there. Okay, and therefore we are also looking for angle A, but we are given side A. Okay, so great. So the sine rule does pass, and then we are B. If you take a look at this one, B, it is not an included angle because we are not using this side. Okay, so then the sine rule said you should not use an included angle, which means is the angle that is between two vertices. So if it was this one and this one, we're not going to use this angle. So therefore, we can use this angle now because we are using only side B and C. And the included angle between these two sides, it's C. And C is not given and we are not using. So therefore, this does pass the rule. So therefore, we're going to say A is given by this magnitude here, which is 70. So 70, okay, all over sine angle A, which is theta, is going to be equal to B, which is 3/4, all over sine angle B, which is 28 degrees. Okay, then we do the mathematics, do the cross multiplication here. You're going to have 3/4 sine theta. It should be equals to 70 multiplied by this side is going to be 7, 0 multiplied by sine 28 degrees. Okay, therefore we are looking for theta. We're going to divide both sides by 34. Divide both sides by 34, cross multiply there, cancel out. Okay, therefore you are going to be left with, rather you're going to be left with sine theta is equals to, there's a certain number here, but there you go. I hope this is what you got. Just trying to put all the figures there so that it can be as accurate as possible. So therefore, to get the angle, we're going to say second function. I've seen a lot of learners get confused here. When do you say second function? When do you not say second function? Excuse me, guys. Okay. You would say second function here all over second function, and then you put your number there because now you're looking for the angle theta. Therefore, this should be able to give you a reference angle, rather reference angle of 17.5.140. Okay, therefore this is a reference angle. Then we go to from trigonometry, we know that sine is also positive at 180 minus the angle that we just calculated now. So therefore it's going to be 180 minus 75 divided by 75 rather 75.14 degrees, which is going to give us a total angle of 104.86 degrees. Okay, and that's how you would deal with this question, guys. Make sure that the angle that you're calculating, it is always a reference angle. Therefore, once you finish doing that, you check where is cosine. So in this instance, we're using sine rule is positive at 180 minus that angle. So therefore, we managed to get the magnitude of our angle. Let's say, for example, guys, for some reason you ended here. When we mark, if you end here, when we mark, you would probably lose a mark, one mark there or half for the answer when we mark. So please make sure that you always know that what you are calculating is a reference angle. Okay. So, and that's how you deal with this question, guys. And if you have questions, please make sure that you leave them on the comment section below. We'll definitely try to assist you and attend to the questions as much as possible. I am Gastin Mapala here at Maths with Gastin, where we make things happen. To see you on the next upload, where we will be dealing with cosine rule.